Hey y'all, back for our upload. I just died from an earthquake. We're going to survive the next one. I mean, if you have noticed, I have a new skin. Shut up. And it will be, and this is very good. Oh yes, guys, that looks good. So I'm now the green guy, green hoodie guy, and I have my official name. Oh guys, we have to go to spaceship. We're going to fly away. We're going to fly away, far, far away from these dumb bastards on the earth. Didn't even rhyme. What the fuck? Alright. I consider this as a win. And also we have finally made to the record. Hey y'all, guys, where are you? Why are you? No. Oh, guys, maybe we're not surviving this. We have to survive. Down. Fast. Where am I going? Guys, okay. No, not okay. Guys, I forgot. We have to dodge. What the? I'm scared, guys, because I want to survive. Everything is fine. I don't know if we're going to survive this, but Sandstorm. Oh my eyes. Sandstorm is not good. Why Worm Explorer? What the fuck? What's your name? What? No. Guys, no, stop, no, ow, no, guys, no. Ah! Guys,